everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm so glad you stopped by. Alright, are you ready for what might just be the easiest and most delicious cookies ever? Let's jump right in. We're starting with 1 cup of oats. Next, add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now, when I was in Vietnam, I actually didn't have cocoa powder, so I used Nesquik instead. It's sweetened, but honestly, it turned out amazing. Add just a pinch of salt, give it a good stir, and set that bowl aside for now. In another bowl, we're going to mix up our wet ingredients. Start with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. And about 1/3 cup of honey. You can totally swap the honey for maple syrup if that's what you have on hand. Both work great. Now mix that all together until it's nice and smooth. These cookies are such a nice little snack during the day or even after dinner. Once that's ready, pour your peanut butter mix into the oats mixture. Combine everything well. I like to press the back of my spoon down into the peanut butter mixture to help it spread out. I'm not sure how an electric mixer will do here, but that might be easier for you if you have one on hand. When it starts to come together, you might still see some of your dry mix at the bottom. Just go in with your hands. It makes it so much easier to finish mixing. Keep going until there aren't any dry oats left. These no-bake cookies take only about 15 minutes from start to finish, and they're actually kind of healthy too, which is a nice bonus. Then take a small scoop of dough, roll it into a ball, and flatten it out with your hand. Repeat that with the rest of the dough. If you're still watching, thank you so much. You've got to tell me how your recipe's coming along down in the comments, and while you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once you've shaped them all, pop them into an airtight container and refrigerate for at least an hour to let them firm up. And that's it. Super quick, no bake, and seriously tasty cookies. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.